Persons X, Y, and Z wish to go from place A to place B, which are separated by a distance of 70 kilometers. All the three start together from A with X and Y going by Luna at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. X drops Y somewhere along the way and returns to pick up Z, who has already started walking towards B at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Y, after being dropped by X, starts walking towards B at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Surprisingly, all the three reach B at the same time. Answer the following questions. So we have here five different questions. So let's first solve this question. Now, if you see the last sentence, we will realize that all three reach B at the same time. Hence, we can say that time of X is equal to time of Y is equal to time of B. Right? Now, let's draw a symbolic figure. So we have this distance AB. Now, X drops Y somewhere along the way. So let's assume that X drops Y at this point. Let's name it as M. Now, we know that AB is equal to 70 kilometers. Now, if we assume MB as X, then AM will be equal to 70 minus X. Now, after this, X returns to pick up Z, who has already started walking towards B. So Z has already started walking, and let's say he must have reached this point, and X picks up Z from this point. Let's name this point as N. Now, let's name the distance AN as Y. So therefore, distance NB will be 70 minus Y. Now, let's find out the time required for Y. Now, Y is traveling from A to M on Luna. That means at a speed of 20. And after that, he is walking at a speed of 5. So that means he covers distance MB at 5 kilometers per hour. So this becomes AM is 70 minus X upon 20 plus MB. MB is X upon 5. Making the denominator as 20, we can simplify this as 70 minus X plus 4X upon 20. That is 70 plus 3X upon 20. So we can say this is the time required for Y to reach the destination B. Similarly, we can find out the time required for Z. Now Z traveled the distance AN by walking at a speed of 5, and after that he covered the distance NB on Luna with X at a speed of 20. Now AN is Y, so it becomes Y upon 5 plus NB, that is 70 minus Y upon 20. So this becomes 4Y plus 70 minus Y upon 20. So we get here 4Y minus Y, that is 3Y plus 70 upon 20. Now, as we have seen, time of X is equal to time of Y is equal to time of Z. So this should be Z. So we can equate these two, time of Y and time of Z. Now, as the denominator is equal, we can equate just the numerators. So we can say it is 70 plus 3X is equal to 3Y plus 70. So 70 gets cancelled out. We have 3x is equal to 3y. That means we can say x is equal to y. Now, let's find out t of x. Now, x is continuously driving on Luna at a speed of 20. First, he drops y at m. So that means he has covered am. Then he goes back to n to pick up z. So that means he has covered mn. Plus, after that, he has reached the destination. That means he has covered nb. Now, am, that is 70 minus x, mn. Now, what can be mn? We can say that mn is equal to am minus an. That is, am is 70 minus x and an is y. So mn will be 70 minus x minus y. So plus 70 minus x minus y plus nb. Now what is nb? nb is 70 minus y upon 20. Now we know that x is equal to y. So therefore, simplifying this, we can get the equation as 210 minus 4x upon 20. Okay. So we get time of x as 210 minus 4x upon 20. Now we can equate this with t of y. So that will become 70 plus 3x upon 20. So 20 will get cancelled out. We have 140 is equal to 7x. And therefore we get x is equal to 20. So that means an is equal to mb. So this is also 20. This is also 20. And mn comes out to be 30. So now let's answer the questions from the previous. How much distance is covered by Z on foot? Now Z has covered the distance an on foot, and that comes out to be 20 kilometers. So answer will be option C. What is the total distance covered by X? Now X is covering am. So am now will be 50 plus mn, that will be 30 plus nb, that will be 50 again. So this is the total distance covered by X. So answer will be 130 kilometers. So answer will be option A. How long does it take them to go from A to B? Now we know that X has covered a total distance of 130 kilometers and he is continuously driving at 20 kilometers per hour. So 130 upon 20, we get the answer as 6.5 hours. After how much time is y dropped on the way by x? Now, y is dropped at point M. That means after covering a distance of 20 plus 30, that is 50 kilometers on Luna, that is with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So 50 kilometers covered at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So y must be dropped after 2.5 hours. So answer will be option C. For how long does X travel alone over the entire journey? Now, over the entire journey, X travels alone only while going from M to N. That is for 30 kilometers with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So 30 upon 20, we get the answer as 1.5 hours. So answer will be option D.